Action.
1, 2, 3, go. Anyway, hello. Hey?
Was that fun, guys?
Yes, it was fun. It was fun because this looks like a really fun bag. I just received it right now. I haven't checked what's it about, who's it from, all backstories, so I'm going to wing it like you usually do with everything. Hello everyone, this is Nabihah, the person whose name is on this bag. So whatever's in this bag is obviously for me, right?
And where's it from?
It's from ESPN.
What does ESPN do?
You say, what does ESPN do?
Sports.
Okay, so ESPN is the home of American sports. And we're from iloveza.com. So we're going to love them because they gave us this nice big bag. Here is a festive pack for you to enjoy the best sports programming this holiday on ESPN and ESPN2. From major American sporting leagues such as the National Basketball Association, National Football League, and National Hockey League to European football and more will keep you entertained this festive season. Happy holidays! And this is the social media stuff and hashtag ESPN Africa. So ESPN Africa, thank you for this awesome bag. I already feel like I can put my child in this bag when I take out everything and just like pop him out.
Onto this thing.
You want to be on here?
Yeah.
Oh, because you want to see. All right. So now, oh my gosh. Ooh. Is it fine if your back is towards it? Okay. Can you wait? Can I open? Whose name is on the back? Who?
Mommy Bear.
Mommy. Okay. So Mommy Bear is going to open. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm going to open like this. And I already see. What do you see?
A bag.
A bag. Sorry, I want to open it a little bit more so I don't squash anything. Okay, I see a bag inside. I'm going to take out this bag. Okay, my big Santa sock. Let me rather undo this knot because that will make it better, I think. Okay. Oh no. Okay, back here. Yeah? Alright.
There's a basketball ball.
And then. Okay. So, guys, what is this? What does it look like?
A bag.
A bag, a tug bag. So you said you don't have any bags, and look at that. There's a bag that I think you could use, even though it has my name on that bag. Maybe I should use that one. What's inside? Okay, so I'm just checking the bag out. It's got a zipper here, right? And this, and then the shoulder thing is here. There's like all these little stuff. How do we open? Okay, where's the top? Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, okay. So the zip is like. So there's a zip. Is that what it is? Okay. So this is the top zip. I thought it was a side zip. All right. Now, sounds like there's some stuff inside. Inside. Dun 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 dun. What's the ESPN? What's any basketball?
Dun, 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 dun.
Do 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 do. I'm not doing it properly.
Du-du-du-du-du.
Do do do. And it's another bag that says ESPN on it. It's a drawstring bag, and I feel like you can use this also. Although it was my name, I'm being very generous because it's a spirit of.
It's a towel.
It's a towel. It's a red and white towel. Yeah. Whoop. Do 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 do.
My favorite color is red.
Oh, so should this be for you, even though it was mine? Okay. And what's inside? candy canes! Woo! Okay, I think that's it. In that bag. And guys, let's see what else is. This is making the noise. It's little marshmallows and red jelly beans in an ESPN mug. I can make iced tea in this mug and sip it in like this. Are you checking it out? White marshmallows and little red jelly beans. And that's not all. There's this glass bottle for your water bottle or juice bottle, whatever you want to do with it, right? So that, and then the reason why I brought both of you here to open with me this ESPN bag is
a basketball. I can play basketball with it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ESPN. This is an awesome gift for my son and my husband with my name on the bag. Thank you so much. And we are definitely going to have fun. I'm Nabihah, this was Isa, and Ziyaad's by the camera. We love ZA.